Oh man, this one a pepper soup. I was shy on happy weekend. Today's Friday. I greet everybody. My first message to Abatobaze. Abatobaze, yesterday video where you do, I see that video. I respect the way you do that video, but you fuck up. Your fuck up was, you see me, pepper soup. You mentioned presenter, analyzer, and you mentioned that message. You say we they use you to get viewer. Abatobaze, that you are so stupid to say that word. You don't have to say that. Abatobaze, you don't have to say that. I'm telling the gospel truth. You don't need to say that. Say, I'll use you to get viewer. No. The reason why I say no, be see, I never get one kobo for this social media. I not did this social media because of money. I did because of how Edo State could take better. And you, not be about yourself and your family, you can't talk for this social media. You talk about another person. Abatobaze, when you fuck up, I pick come out talk about that. If you do something good, I still come out talk about that. For your information, presenter, analyzer, that powerful woman, she never get one kobo for social media. The same thing to me. And Dada Masses, I don't know him, but I expect him. I watch his program. Me too, I don't believe in that because of finance, 9 days social media. We need to iron this thing out for 100%. I don't tell you, say, when you are amigo, or you have like social media. No. We will tell you I am my, how I just go take better and I make me this social media. Abatobaze, do you know that you are owing Iranomigo and Ambassador or John Osagi money? You don't know. Now they make you grow. Iranomigo and John Osagi, now they make you grow. Forget about governor. You're supposed to pay Iranomigo and Ambassador John Osagi because they are shareholder of your BDrive, of your company. You grow through those people. But for me, presenter, analyzer, and Dada Masses, I don't add my Dada Masses as you talk on. It's not because of you. It's the best of Edo land. Obiepa, Uruwe, Waluwe. Mayor and radio, I have never gotten a cent on this social media. So when you are talking like that, you know who you are talking to. And it's open. Anybody knowing in the area, one kobo me as a donut, as offer, as a gift in social media will not tie. But I can count more than 100 plus in may assist on this social media. The man told your woman, if you know you have given me cent on this social media, one kobo a cent, come out and say it. Abatobaze, you feed with social media. I'm not like you. Don't say where I grow because of you. No, don't say that. Oga you able to tama where face pepper soup una wu aladian to come now you start insulting me over Paul well. You might like it, lifestyle any. I don't like it. I don't like it. I respect you seriously. I know something about you. What I know about you is what I'm very proud about. You are very confident to speak. That makes me happy. There are no even people that speak the way you speak in Edo State is not much. You don't care when you see the truth, you say it. But sometimes you live the truth. What about people fighting for you? Sometimes I don't fight for you. I disrespect the governor because of you. Do I need a viewer? I've never gotten a cent. I respect you are not a father. I've never gotten a cent on this social media. I've never gotten a kobo, a cent. A presenter, analyzer, have never gotten a cent on this social media. Sometimes she praise you, that woman praise you. It's not because of cent. Or maybe kobo there. I used to call her. That masses is not like those people that don't feel about Lahore. I respect you seriously. Wa keep respecting you. Wa. Even if you stole time where face pepper soup, wa driving motor with channel me, you will not like it. He told him where we buy your document wa well. Only problem no lagment tiro. La wo canal we Egun ti ebo won ni mi awa kan re loro we because mi awa kan loro o mi akon yari mi owo itama we. Please just mind your business. I am not there. I'm not on social media because of getting a kobo or getting a cent. Hold on. That's something I want you to know. I'm not happy since yesterday. We are telling because I tell anyway because of social media. I need to get a viewer. Malake, Mario ni tiebo. There will be pushing me. Me malake no sense in it. We have almost 2 to 5 billion people on this earth. Women up to 1 billion. Women up to 1 billion. And why we money? Women up by like him. So when you see it for me, I am not fighting because of money. We are in the one when I offer again offer you I control. When I forget you presenter analyzer Wabiji. I'm telling you the gospel truth. That woman, she's it's straight, you know. That mass is too. It may mean that mass is face to face. It might be a way to turn your yard. But for me, he is a very honest man. Wepa, Umeranomigo, Ambassador John Osage, because you grow through those two people. You use their name to grow. Where you go by social media, the Facebook pay well, the YouTube pay well. So don't think well they are pay well. No, please, la or Abato base emenu tayo jani me ma like o. I don't like it. You ma like it. No, don't say that word again. Tell me posto tama where insult pepper soup. E bon asu e problem ro wa le su won e mere mo gbe. Me je do no wale. Only a big deal to me. Presenter, analyzer, she's a very open-minded woman. She's a fighter. She fights for the best of Edo land. Dr. Oguname no parieri na igwa no regosa. The second person was presenter, analyzer, who followed that man. Enye kodongele gbina. Obie pa wenwe. Abato baze wenwe. I'm telling you, why we will see what time, why we will tell what we time. And I still want you to know that where every time you come on social media, everywhere EJ, every ra, every matin, every we mulatia, every we mulatia. Here we misu do tie, every year grow, wokana we me malake behavior your wokana, abato bazel we. What do you want with for? Mayawa we Destiny Bagwa. What about scheme here? What about scheme here? Est-ce que mi avec Destiny Bagwa, on sait problème d'horaire et doya fait une social media a fait. Est-ce que mi avec Destiny Bagwa? Maybe Destiny Bagwa est quelqu'un comme Tawa. Est-ce que mi let me tell you something. Et du mês, et là, wa forget easily. It's too bad of you. A Dumais was there for you. When scheming, when everyone put my beme. A scheming when even some people was against Dumais. They want to rescue where a scheming when a destiny bank will now mushu go. Take a destiny no. Everybody with destiny. Excuse me, maybe walk with all those issues. All those here, I respect Mr. Edi Daosa. He mentioned now accuse me because I read people comment, but I don't reply. When I reply, you won't be one like even though you have time. You may insult me, but when I reply, it's very hard. Anyway, why do I say? Because Mr. Edi Daosa. If you don't try the radio, a voice ne Dumais record, ni never record. Or when a better face to face, all those say now with your piano. That is why I said I respect that man. I don't look down on anybody. Because yesterday I was naughty, but today I'm something. Yesterday some people were naughty, but today they are something. Today, some people are naughty. Tomorrow, there will be something. I never look down on anybody. Destiny. Imagine to one way issue gear. Scheming. Scheming, ou pete no. No be how we yes. O ka pique for tie du mês. O pique for ka tie du mês. Everybody is pointing finger to scheming to destiny. Sorry, destiny. Who knows? Because Mr. Edi Daosa, in no high, always scheming with destiny. He will not push in. He will not give you information. Even not mindful, you are well enough for mindful. Because what you for Destiny Bagwa and scheming, they have to come out live, or Destiny will come out live, or we in here. Or we in here, la how agree. Once a liar is always a liar. Then you start confronting them. You let social media because of one couple. Nobody will come out. That is why I come out and speak the truth. A Dumais, or ma anybody only one couple now. A Dumais, you need one single person only one couple now. Last time, in that time, in law, I'm sorry. Am I so going where you always say so? No. At the time you hear the in and out of issue, you can apologize. Don't just say sorry. You say sorry from your heart. Destiny Bagwa, rescue me is the real problem in my with social media now. People pay prices and a social media now divide. But everybody is saying destiny. What about scheming? What about scheming? What about scheming of Rotterdam? It's hard time for scheming and Destiny Bagwa to come out and say, well, yeah, oh, yeah, I greet everybody. Esther, Esther Dokbayi, there's never a time I will accuse that woman. Never. Do you know what? They can do anything. They can do anything for that man to be happy. Who knows? The problem of the music industry now. Who knows? Why involve everywhere on this issue? No real Bible. Give destiny and scheming. All the Bible give. Emine Mr. Edi Dao Satana, take us about what do tiebo yo. Nia do tiebo. 10 years is the key, not started all the whole problem. Nia do tiebo yo. But once they come out, you know, yes, you know, they do make them you talk. Or you know why we come out with yes, you know. Once scheming and destiny come out say yes, now they start this problem. Do make go forget about the issue. But once they say no. Dumeis give them paper, make the Congo sue. Make the Congo sue. Everybody just say destiny. What about scheming out? And many people once you come back, they say, oh, Papa Wala don't bribe you. You don't collect money for Papa Wala. For me, for presenter analyzer. If we don't get kobo for Papa Wala, then we bury our children. This one are the highest swear. 1 kobo. Then we bury our children. Because that woman, I communicate with her 24/7, I know. That is the woman, she speaks from the heart. There are people you want to associate with. There are people, no matter what, you will never want to associate with them. There are people that speak from the heart. There are people that don't speak from the heart. We need a great people in Edo land. We need a hero in Edo state territory. We need people that watch in that land. I may fight in social media, but I never hate anybody. Because good or bad, every human being that made it is a pillar to a whole. So what we want, what many people want, if Skinny and Destiny Bagwa said no, they are not the key of this problem. That Dume should serve them a paper, then let them come to swear, take an oath. May they can't go swear. May they go swear if we not lie. Say Mr. Edi that was a lie against them. And Edi never lie. Not because I'm saying it's perfect or it's a lie. No, I didn't say it's perfect. But on this issue, no way. You didn't lie. I respect the chief, the great people that settled this issue. But this case is not over till it's over. It's not over till it's over. We don't point a finger. Destiny. I'm not saying Destiny is a nice person. No. I'm not saying it's a bad person. But scheming is inside there. Nobody is talking about scheming. Even when Destiny brings this issue, the scheming have to think twice because he has to remember what Dumeis don't do for her. Dumeis clean scheming face. he clean tears. But I will never say it out. Never tell. I just see the rubbish and screaming is a part of it. So sometimes we need to be very honest. That's why in this social media, people, that they lose some people face, they talk. And other people go look at other people. No, me, I never get one kobo, and I don't need kobo. People don't offer me money, I never take them. And if you know, say I don't take one kobo from you for social media, or presenter analyzer, don't take one kobo, or you don't even send a one kobo, come and say it. I am a one-man squad. The other squad I have with me is presenter analyzer. That is the other squad I have with me. I don't believe in anything. I believe on the truth once I'm here. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not saying I'm 90% because I'm a human. And I'm not saying I'm 95. No. I'm not saying I'm 9.9. No. But I can be very confident and proud of 80-85% of who I am. That made me who I am. So I don't like it, that system. There are some people who think they are so smart. Try to rule other people's name. No way. Et when you go on social media, or a benet talenta, you know, social media, a gangi me, our war, a gangi presenter, our war, a gangi, Dada Massis and Abato Bazel High. No, forget it. Don't say that. I don't know Dada Massis, I respect him. You respect me, I respect him. So Abato Bazel, for you to say that, it's a zero. One side. Okola no Vitali, may your soul rest in peace. For them born on my heart, I say, may your soul rest in peace. Because you know, Biomo, we ba hate on but on one way we raw, no love on. May your grace soul rest in peace. You speak from your heart. If you wear horn, you believe you tie. That is why I'm different from many people. There are a lot of things where we born and we no my. Nobody will come to your village. Foreigner will come to your village. Go say, "I ain't get your village." No. Nobody. But many people for this Euro, they come this Euro, they are dot and they are dated to their people. They don't know the society they are living. I am 100% different. That guy that died in Call, may your soul rest in peace. But this is the time that many people have to learn from what happened. And Ijore, it's too bad of you. Ijore, I respect you seriously. You make some people laugh. I respect you. But it's too bad of you to say that way. Or one who, where is a good news. Ijore, that is too bad. You have to bring that video down. I don't hate you. I respect you seriously. I find it difficult to call people because when you call them, record you. Because when you record, when I record you, I can sue you. I know that for 100%. But if I sue you, maybe your wife or your children or your husband or your children will feel the pain. You can play record, no record that you can sue that person. But many people in social media don't know. Yuri, a video on you is very powerful. I respect you. But that language where good news. Nobody know who know a good news. They did not hear mine, even 100 and something years, 200 years, or you where will you hear good news? I'm a young boy, no my beer, Yuri. A behavior ni Emma, Yuri, Emma. Yuri Maze, Emma. I respect you. You are a nice person. You have your people. You make your people happy, which I'm very happy about. But a language is too bad. It's too bad. How will someone die? You just come out to say it's a good news. Yuri, how will you feel if you lose your child? And someone else will now say it's a good news. Yuri, you write it's a good news. No matter what. And you say it's a good news, you are crying. You feel sad on the media. No. No, I don't hate you. I don't hate anybody in this media. But as far as I'm concerned, I will always live to say the truth. I may be bad in some aspect. That is me for you because I'm a human. Yuri, that is a bad statement you made. Someone died, you say it's a good news. It's not a good news. You don't lose anybody and you say it's a good news. Even a dog. I have some friends who all what they have in their life is their dog. They will their house, their cat to dog. I have some friends. I even have a friend who will his house to cat. Say why? He say yeah. It's everything I have. I respect him. Talk like a human being. You say it's a good news. Yuri, no way. Please. If you have it, you can delete it. But if you say it's good, that yes, it's a good news, I didn't lay curse on you, something good you value will lose, other people will say it's a good news. But how will a human being die? You say it's a good news. I don't know why people are so scared. They are afraid. You don't get to say the truth. A pillar, someone that don't have a wife and a child, or what we say good news. What do you expect, man? You already know that's too bad. That's 100% bad. That is that. Back again to Mr. Dumeis. Mr. Dumeis, don't take anything for granted. With the last video we have, that's the most powerful confession. That yes, it's Kimi here and Destiny Bagua that told him, that messaged him, that motivated him, that passed all the information to him to broadcast. Where he know where the Bible can. The Bible can. Because he was not social media now. He was Zagai. Only one side. About Obase again. That system of where Wokai is Esther. No. You want to face destiny. Every year, no time I walk about Obase. Every year, no time I walk. Every year, no time a girlfriend you want, a girlfriend you want. I am not supporting Esther because Esther my life now. So that system will say that no. You know what tanya about? Yewe we posto kata ma wewe face pepper soup. Pepper soup okpa we take kata uba wa mo presenter analyzer keke dada masisi bae. He may be one kobo de 1 cent, 1 kobo. He may be de abati. Why? O kana lo why uda wa gweche ba konwe o mi akoyale mi owo. I know what I'm telling you. Few days ago, I still fight. There's something I like about you. When you speak with confidence. So when you talk about me that way, he used you where you are, it was confidence. That is why I'm telling you this. You know, Osaluwene, even anybody now will disrespect her, I will come out and will fight for him. That is me for you. Even when anybody disrespect when I know you are right, I will come out and fight that person. That is me for you. I don't belong to nobody. I don't belong to nobody. That is just me. So that system is saying that we use your name to get a viewer. I've never taken a kobo, 1 cent kobo in social media. When Naija was carrying my video, I never call him one day where give me a cent. Call Naija was confirmed from him. I am not in social media because of his cent. I'm in social media to build the best, the greatest taste, the happiness of Edo land. I never want to mention people's name again, but you brought me to this game. And I know, every name was so time where face a pepper soup. Uba wa mwe presenter wa la ona ba mo dada masisi la o me we take ya wa. Owo kana lo enwa o. E ko mi anwa kon. We wa wo kana ni e go wo kan we wo pa wa ali mi wo ri wa yi. Owo kana o lu enwa abato base lu enwa o. Mr. Dumesh, we hear the whole truth and we know the truth. We're waiting for Skimian and Destiny Bagua to come out and apologize to you. To come out and apologize to you. If they refuse, when they bear Bogian, and when they apologize, they still have to come back to social media and apologize to everybody. It's the true story. There's no two ways about it. There's no two ways about it. We are just facing people talk about Monica, they talk about Lord. Who are the real source of this issue? Who brought those issues? It's Skimian and Destiny Bagua. Dumesh, even the business I am my own. We had a lot in that video. Mr. Abato Bazeno might take it one side, he speaks his heart. When you listen to Abato, he really did by or can down. Anyway, what of it, Tasha? When you listen to Abato Bazeno, you can see what he said that way. Yes, I'm not going to support Destiny, I'm not going to support Dumesh. That is the truth. We need to be very honest. I don't want to stay long. Salobo ade by my yafefe. No massa aki my yaba. Oda makera oge. But you people should not forget that the next governor of Edo State has to come from Esan land. It has to come out from Esan land. Edo State have rule. We should not dance to the tune of Shaibu. No. Shaibu is trying to manipulate the governor, change the plan of Obaseki. Obaseki may be a good person. I don't like him, but I respect him. The next governor of Edo State has to come from Eastern land. I am not hunting for a viewer. No way. But I will always come out to say my mind and speak from my heart and say the truth. May God Almighty bless Edo State. No matter came back. Isagi my jogo, we jogo, ava jogo aso. Oda makera oge. No gwale my ve, e vegi fo wae. No gwale malogo ma ifo wae. Etune kwi maya jagbona. Etune for maya kanya worigbe. In Jesus' name, amen. I never hit anybody. Even Destiny, Skimian, whosoever I talk, even a Busto, I don't hate anybody. No. But I can always confront you. I will tell you, I may insult you, but I don't wish anybody dead. I don't wish anybody bad. This is Pepper Soup. Our side, we want a lot. Click follow. If you like, you share. Social media, social media was zombie because I have what TNN is Zosekaji. You may me one kobo water. On you say a part of Bazo Wakana, who went, who man went. Every day, one no. God bless you all. The next governor of Edo State. Audio, yes, sir. It can be a woman, it can be man. And some people are capable to be the governor of Edo State. They are heroes. We have a powerful hero before Adamu Shomole. We will get another powerful hero from Esan land. God bless you all. Click follow. If you want to share, share. God bless you all. Thank you.